Speedtest August 2024. Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, August the 2nd, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 Star Sudoku, the 4 Star Sudoku, and the Killer Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have also 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. Yeah, it's the first Friday of the month, and I will do always a speed test without comments, without instructions. So let's get started. Yeah. By the way, this one will be number 9012. 9012. And before I start, I always count printed digits. This one, I believe, 27 printed digits. Should be a 1 star. 1 star puzzles has always 27 printed digits. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, without comments, without instructions. So should be faster. Okay, so let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. 2, 6. Need a 3 here. 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then number 4. And this should be an 8. 6, 4. Need a 9 there. 6 should be here. How about the 1? Need an 8. Wait. 1. 9. 7. 3. Come on. Need an 8. 2. 2 and 5. Come on. 7. 3, 4 is missing, and 6 is missing. 3, 4. Need a 4 here and need a 7. 3. How about here the 8, the 9, 8. Need an 8 here. Need a 5 here. 8 and a 5. This should be the 2, 4, 7, and the 9. 4, 7, 7, 4, 7. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. 8, 5. Here should be the 1 and the 1 and the 6, I believe. Need a 6 there. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. Need a 3 there. 1, 2, 7. 1. Need a 2 here. 2. Need a 2 there then. 5 and the 8. Need an 8 here and the 5. Here should be 2 and a 5. We have a 5 here, so this should be the 2, this should be the 5, this should be the 2, 1 and 7. 1, 7 and 4. We have 1 here, this should be the 7, this should be the 1, this should be the 7. Need a 1 here. 2, 2, 2, 2. Here need a 2, need a 3 here also. And this should be an 8, 8, 5. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 here. This should be the 3. This should be the 2. This should be the 2. Then 3 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6. 6 should be here. 5. 5 and the 8. Oh yeah, yeah. This yeah. 5, 5. This should be the 5. 1 and 2. Need a 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 and 8. Finished in 6 minutes. Minus 2. 4 minutes. Yeah. 4:30. 4:30. Oh, wow. Interesting. Let me double check this. Sometimes I made a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Well, if you know a method to check faster than this, because I need to check the horizontal and vertical columns, the rows and the columns. I cannot leave some of them because last time I thought I have solved this correctly, but someone told me you made a mistake. Yeah. So if you know a method to check if the Sudoku is correctly, please leave a comment or message. But we solve it again. 4 minutes and 30. Well, thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.